Gotta touch the side of the plane for good luck.
Shopping bags, spacing out.
He's so excited.
Alright, we made it to California. We're heading to Disneyland tomorrow. Tonight's just a precursor for what's happening tomorrow. That's when all the magic happens. Do you love your new toy, buddy? Alright, day one of the Disneyland. Are you ready?
You ready? This one's fun, huh?
Day two, we're hitting up California Adventure. Wesley, you ready, bud? Let's run, we gotta beat these guys. Losers! There's the crew right there. Brave, noble crew that's gonna take on Luigi's car ride. I'm a little too scared. That one's a little too intense for me. Wesley and Indy can talk me into anything. We're riding this again. Okay, we're on a little date with Indy. Gigi and Papa took Wes to the hotel room so he could have a nap. We got a special show for... What? The Frozen show. And it's at 3 o'clock, right?
Yeah, so we're gonna go now.
We're gonna go on Toy Story ride first, and then it'll be time for the show. Are you excited? Who's gonna be at the show? Anna, Elsa, Olaf, the whole Frozen crew? Well, let's go.
Presentación del teatro, incluyendo los escalones al escenario.
That's a lot of kissing, bud. Kiss mom. Day 3 of Disneyland, we're going to hitting up Peter Pan, first thing. The line's already super long. Olaf and Sven hanging out. We're doing Mickey's Halloween party. Every year around Halloween, they do a party where they kick everybody else out at like 6 o'clock and you get to just roam around and do some trick-or-treating. But it also means that the lines go way down and on the rides, so we're gonna go hit up some rides now that we got some candy. Where's your hat, bud? Where's your carrot? Oh no, you're missing half your costume. You don't want to wear it? All right, we're gonna go ride the choo-choo. Hey, you're not being cute, are you?
Uh-oh.
You better not be breaking the rules, Queen Elsa. What's that, bud? Fireworks? It's trying to get everyone's attention. He's like disappointed that we're not more entertained by it.
He's like, you guys.
Are you not seeing this?
That trip goes down in the books.
Yeah.
It's one of the best trips ever.
Best ever.
All thanks to Gigi and Papa. Cheers. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray.